Hey friends, I'm Miss B, and today we're practicing the letter B. Making the letter B is actually really easy. When you're trying to say the sound, all you have to do is close your lips tight, turn your voice on, and let out a small burst of air. B. I like to call it the bubble sound because the lips hold the sound in like a bubble, and then it pops out with your voice. B. Let's make a bubble with our lips. Are you ready? Hold it and pop. B. That's the B sound. Let's keep going so we can practice some more. Let's practice B in syllables. B. Bay. Say it with me 3 times. Bay, bay, bay. B. Say it with me 3 times again. B, B, B. Bzz. Remember, all you need to do is hold your bubble and pop. B. Bye. Let's say it 3 times. Bye, bye, bye. You're doing great work, friends. Let's keep going. Bow. Now let's say it 3 times. Bow, bow, bow. Boo, like a ghost. Let's say it 3 times in our scariest voices. Boo, boo, boo. Now let's practice B at the beginning of the words. Remember, we have to hold our bubble and then make it pop for B. Bed. See if you can say it yourself 5 times in a row with a good bubble sound, like this. Bed, 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 bed. Now you do it. Bat. Say it yourself 5 times. Bus. Like that big yellow thing we take to school? Let's say it 5 times. Remember, hold your bubble and pop. Bus. You say it 5 times. You guys are doing a great job practicing your bubble sound. Now let's practice B in the middle of words. So remember, you're not going to start these words with the B sound. Instead, they're going to be in the middle. Other sounds will come first, and then we'll put our lips together, make our bubble, turn our voice on, and make it pop for B. Baboon. That's a silly word and a silly animal. Remember, B's in the middle of the word. It's also at the beginning of the word in this one. Say it yourself 5 times. Baboon. Bubble. Just like the name of our sound, the bubble sound. You say it 5 times. Table. Here we go. We're going to say it 5 times. I'll go first. Table, 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 table. Now it's your turn. Great work practicing B in the middle of words. Now we're going to move the sound all the way to the end. Let's practice B at the end of words. B. Remember, B is going to be at the very end, so you don't need to say that sound again until we get to the end of the word. Let's get started. Web. Oh no, with a creepy, crawly spider. See if you can say the word 5 times quietly so that the spider doesn't get woken up. Web, 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 web. Now it's your turn. Remember, keep it quiet. Whew, great job, guys. The spider didn't get us. Let's try another one. Cub, like a little baby lion cub. See if you can say it yourself 5 times. Remember to use your bubble sound. Hold your air in, turn on your voice, and let your bubble pop for B. Here we go. Say it yourself 5 times. You guys are working hard. We just have a few more. This one is tub, like where the ducky swims when he's taking a bath. Say it yourself 5 times. Great work practicing B and sounds. Now we're going to do something different. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you know your letter B. And if you are wondering, the one on the left, that's the first one. That's our capital B or our big B. And the one on the right, that's the second one. That's what lowercase b or little b looks like. Both of them make the same sound. Both of them are the bubble sound. They just look different because sometimes when we spell, we need capital words and sometimes we don't. Let's get started. Which word has the letter B? Zebra or tiger? Listen carefully and you can see if you can find the word that has the letter B. Zebra or tiger? If you said zebra, you're right. Zebra has B in the middle. Let's try another one. Which word has the letter B? Fish or crab? One more time. Fish or crab? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to make a guess. Crab. If you said crab, you're right because crab has the B sound at the end. Which word has the letter B? Robot or dog? One more time. Robot or dog? Robot. Robot has the letter B in the middle. Which word has the letter B? Remember to listen for your bubble sound. Remember, it's a small burst of air that pops out like B. Here we go. House or barn? Listen for your sound. House or barn? The bubble sound is in the word barn. Great work. Let's play a game with B. Find as many words with the letter B as you can in 30 seconds. Remember, if you're not sure how to find letter B, just say the word out loud and listen for the sound. For example, you could say to yourself, dinosaur. Does dinosaur have my bubble sound B? If it doesn't have your bubble sound, then that's not the right answer. Let's see how many you can find in 30 seconds. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Time's up. Did you find all the words with B in them? Let's go through and find out what they all are. Bumblebee, robot, balloons, bow, boots, ball, bike, globe, tub, and umbrella. Great work. I hope you found all the words. Now let's count the number of syllables in these things that go. Boat. How many syllables does the word boat have? If you're not sure how to figure it out, you can just open your mouth every time you see a vowel. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's see how many syllables are in the word boat. Let's say it again. Boat. Boat is just one syllable. If you said one, you got it right. Let's keep practicing. Bike. How many syllables do you think are in the word bike? Bike has one syllable. Let's try another one. Buggy. How many syllables do you hear in the word buggy? Buggy has 2 syllables. Balloon. How many syllables do you hear in the word balloon? Balloon. Balloon. Balloon has 2 syllables. Bulldozer. How many syllables do you hear in the word bulldozer? Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Bulldozer has 3 syllables. Okay, now let's give this tongue twister a try. Okay, here we go. Don't forget, you gotta use your bubble sound. Hold your air. Make a pop. B. Busy bees bake big biscuits by the barn. Holy moly, that has a lot of B's. Let's try it again. Busy bees bake big biscuits by the barn. Let's try to say it 3 times fast. Busy bees bake big biscuits by the barn. Busy bees bake big biscuits by the barn. Busy bees bake big biscuits by the barn. Pause the video here if you want to try to see if you can say it 3 times in a row. Now let's read a story with B at the beginning of words. If you're a strong reader, feel free to pause the video and read it for yourself. Don't forget, this story has a lot of our bubble sound, our B sound in it. Look for the letter B and make sure you're making a small bubble of air and popping it for that sound. Here we go. Ben's big mission. Ben likes to be busy and help the earth. One day, he saw bags and boxes on the grass. "This is a big mess," he said. Ben got a bin and began to pick up the big bits. His buddies came to help too. "Big help, buddies," Ben said. Now let's read a story with B in the middle of words. Abby and the Bubble Buddies. Abby the cub had a tub. The tub had bubbles, big bobbing bubbles. Abby giggled and tapped a bubble. Pop! A baby bug sat on a bubble. Another bubble had a bib on it. Abby said, "Funny bubble buddies." She nibbled a bun and watched them bob. "Best tub day," Abby said. That was a silly story. Let's read another story with letter B at the end of words. Cub and the Big Web. Cub the pup ran in the sun. He saw a web on a cab. "Wow," said Cub. "That is a big web." A bug sat on the web. Cub gave it a dab with his bib. The bug did not zip. It sat. Cub got his tub and set it by the web. "Bug nap in the tub," he said. He gave the bug a rub and said, "Good job, bug. Good job, Cub." Now let's practice the consonant cluster BR with a blend story. Remember, B wants to be friends with R, so don't forget your bubble sound B and don't forget your R sound either. Brad and the Big Bridge. Brad the bunny hops to the bridge. The bridge is big and brown. Brad sees a brass bell on the bridge. "Brilliant," Brad says with a big smile. He brings a bread bag and brings it to the bridge. Brad meets his brother Ben. "Brave bunny," Ben says. Brad bounces back home. Thanks for practicing letter B with me today, friends. Learn, grow, and let the stories flow. Like and subscribe.